What about work? How are you taking it slow or?
I'm taking it slow, and I have wherever I go, I've hardly given interviews, but wherever I'm going, I'm telling people, okay, I'm putting it out. I am ready,
Ready.
and I can take up work now. So yeah, I'm again saying hello. Are you listening? I'm ready.
We really
Yeah.
hope to see you on the big
Yes,
screens
yes.
again.
क्या है ना, for people also it will take time.
Yeah.
You know, it's. I remember जब मुझे diagnose हुआ था, तब मेरे 2 बहुत अच्छे projects थे जो मुझे छोड़ने पड़े. फिर किसी और को कास्ट किया गया क्योंकि सब रेडी था, फ्लोर पे जाने वाला था, शूट शुरू होने वाला था. तो अभी डर भी लगता है ना फिर. It's a little scary for the other side also, be it production or whatever. So which is why I keep telling everyone ki I have observed myself, I've observed my body, touch wood. I'm ready to work.
Ready to work.
So let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So with that, we come to the end of round 1.
Okay.
Now round 2 is I will take you through your एक यादों का पिटारा
Okay.
sort of. I'll show you a few photos.
Okay.
और आपको उसके पीछे की हमें कहानी बतानी
Sure.
है. So this one's.
I don't know about the other one. मैं तो मुझे कहाँ से पता होगा, मैं गोदी में हूँ, मुझे कहाँ से पता होगा उधर किधर हूँ मैं, क्या हूँ, मम्मी से पूछना पड़ेगा. But that one is from Eid.
Yeah.
I remember I dressed up for Eid and clicked a picture with my mother. And अच्छा, you have done this और मैंने किया ये.
नहीं, ये हमने किया है.
आपने किया है ना?
हाँ, कि ये बचपन का, ये अभी का.
वो मुझे नहीं पता वो किधर. मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ उधर. मम्मी से भी नहीं पूछा.
This one.
This is, I think it was Raksha Bandhan, yeah. Yeah, it was Raksha Bandhan.
Oh, you
Raksha Bandhan?
have Rakhi also. You have Rakhi
Hai
on your
Rakhi?
wrist.
Yeah.
हाँ.
See, wow, my memory is superb.
Lovely. This one.
This is, again, I think this was for Government of India. This was one initiative by the Health Ministry where they organized this event where we all walked for Manish.
Yeah.
And it was fab. What a show.
What a show.
What a show. And I felt so nice doing this. I remember
I think this was one of your first few appearances.
appearances also.
Yeah.
And this was like at the peak of my chemo.
Yeah.
Yeah. At the peak of my chemo. Thank you.
We
बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी ब्यूटीफुल लगने के लिए. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी.
Always beautiful.
I swear.
Always beautiful.
वो wig चिपकाना and eyelashes. I remember me and my makeup artist will never forget that incident ever. Sachin will never forget that incident. Usually I don't put lashes. I am not a person. Alhamdulillah, I'm blessed with good lashes. तो because इधर कीमोथेरेपी की जर्नी में अगर शूट होता था तो lashes लगाते थे. So usually what you do when you put lashes, they sit on top of your lash, right? Girls will understand it better. कि आपकी lash के ऊपर lash लगती है ना, तो उसने ये realize ही नहीं किया कि मेरी lashes नहीं है. तो उसने lash जैसे ही लगाई normally एकदम, वो सोचा ही नहीं, उसको याद ही नहीं रहा एक second के लिए कि okay नहीं ऐसा नहीं करना है. उसने lash लगाई, वो सीधा मेरी आँख में चली गई. क्यों glue सीधा मेरी आँख में चला गया because मेरी lash थी ही नहीं उसको support करने के लिए. So he was so sad. He was so sad about it. कि उससे क्या हो गया? उसको believe ही नहीं हुआ उससे क्या हो गया. And then I told him it's okay. Then we put some water. We cleaned our eye and everything. And then he did आराम से. It was very difficult. Without support आप एक false lash लगाते हो ना तो बड़ा difficult है बाबा. ये मैंने ये journey में देखा कि it's very hard. So process था. You know when you have no eyebrows, when you have no eyelashes. तो it was pretty tough. बहुत सारे ऐसे किस्से हैं जो हुए पर कर लिया. That's the end result. See how am I looking over there?
Beautiful.
On the ramp. Thank you.
With or without makeup.
Thank you.
We also, and I would like to mention Tahira ma'am and Sonali ma'am. They have also
Arey.
battled this commendably.
They are two beautiful, strong, gorgeous women. Even Mahima.
Yeah.
And the way they've supported me. so much positivity they've given me.
It's a different feeling when you get it from them because you know they are understanding your pain.
Yeah, and they have dealt it.
Yeah.
And they have dealt it with so much positivity, so much grace, and so much honesty. You know, they know my journey. Like, Mahima to knows it in and out. Tahira knows it. So, उनको पता है कितना difficult है. I remember मेरी surgery के बाद, I had a long conversation with Tahira over a call, and I told her, ऐसे हुआ, it took me so long, 15 hours and everything, surgery में क्या क्या हुआ. I told her everything, and she was like, Hina, so much power to you, so much power to you. So she knows, she's aware, and it was tough, it was hard, but ठीक है, निकल गया.
This cute jodi, Shahir and you. This is from Barsat song.
I know
Barsat.
where it is. It's on the bridge. It's taken on the bridge. So I'll tell you something about Shahir. This has been taken on the bridge while we were shooting this song Barish, and हमने अपना बारिश का sequence खत्म किया था और हम ठंड से मर रहे थे. I remember when I think I posted that video when I shaved my head, right? And मैंने ये चीज़ बोली थी कि I'm going to flaunt my bald head, proudly. ऐसा हो नहीं पाया because of my condition.
Yeah.
I developed this condition जहाँ पर मैं 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा भी अपना scalp खुला नहीं. I used to sleep in 3 quilts at night throughout my chemotherapy journey. 3 quilts, gloves on, topi, mota socks. This is how I have slept throughout in my chemotherapy. मुझे इतनी ठंड लगती थी, ऐसे शिवर करती थी मैं. सो इसलिए मुझे हमेशा अपना स्कैल्प कवर करके रखना पड़ता था. बोला तो इंसान ने बहुत, then I was like, do I have to do it? Do I still have to do it because I said I will do it? But then मुझे अंदर से ऐसा लगा कि मैं वो क्यों करूं जो मुझसे नहीं हो पाया. नहीं हो पाया तो नहीं हो पाया. जब कभी बात निकलेगी, जब बात होगी, मैं बात करूंगी. और इट्स ओके. नहीं हो पाया, होता तो मैं शायद करती. मेरे लिए कोई, मैं आई रियली डोंट केयर अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. पर मुझे वो फॉल्स होप नहीं देनी है लोगों को कि अच्छा नहीं करना है तो करना है. नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. नॉट दैट आई डोंट हैव पिक्चर्स, बट इट डिडंट वर्क फॉर मी, सो आई डिडंट पुट इट आउट. एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट आउट समथिंग व्हिच डिडंट वर्क फॉर मी, राइट?
Of course.
Coming back to this, when I shaved my head, so he was one of the very few people जिनको मैंने अपनी फोटो भेजी. Shahir was one of those. So I remember Shahir ने उस टाइम अपने बाल एकदम zero का, he had no hair at all that time. So and he sent me that picture and he said, see, it's okay, we're looking same baba. See na, there's nothing's changed. Yeah, you and me are looking same. See, I still have that picture in my phone. So that's how he motivated me, and he's been there throughout in my journey. So Shahir is one of my very good friends, and he's been very supportive, and he's really motivated me. ऐसी छोटी चीजें करके.
I really admire your friendship with Shahir. I remember बारिश के गाने के वक्त मैंने आप दोनों का इंटरव्यू किया था.
हाँ.
और आप तब ये कंप्लेन करते थे कि ये कभी आंसर नहीं करता है, फोन कभी मैसेज नहीं करता है.
Yeah, he's like that.
हाँ.
But I don't think he's like that with me anymore.
No, na?
No. I have not with Ruchika. We haven't spoken much. But इस journey में even Ruchika was in touch with me. She's a sweetheart. Shahir is blessed with a very, very beautiful partner. And not just Shahir, even Ruchika reached out, and we often bumped into each other. And the way she supported and motivated me. Great people.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.